Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand new video, ready to shipment products which is available in our house. Those are the ready to shipment products in the denim quality. We have engaged with 6 to 7 brand products and different washes which is available in our in-house for ready to shipment. Those products are pricing over 6.5 USD to 7 USD. These are the high grade denims. There is a 12 to 13 washes available. Let's go with the product first. Here is the packaging for the American Eagle. We are showing the packaging, what kind of packaging were used for global shipment. Like this is the packing for the Calvin Klein jeans. This is the pack for the Jack and Jones. Here is the pack for the Diesel, and there is other brand as well. Let me show you first from the Levi's. There is the world's most reliable denim company and the one and only denim company. So this the product is about like the 511 model that is 98% cotton, 2% spandex over it. I will go to show you the whole product in a sense. Here is the back side. Here is a 12-ounce denim, 100% 12-ounce denim. You can get the wash, 100% Z black color. You can go through the accessories which you have used in it. That is ready for shipment product. Let me show you the quality of the product. Those are the high grade denim, 6.5 USD each denim, minimum 300 pieces order quantity needed to shipment. For the US and UK clients, they can avail in a door-to-door services, and other countries also we are delivering worldwide. Let me show you some other brands because we have so many products to show. Yeah, let me go through the grinding pattern denim which is available in a American Eagle brand. Just show the pattern. This is the good wash product. Let me go through it. Here is the tags, backside design, stitching quality, 100% export quality of the denim, 100% single line 12-ounce denim. You can see embroidery design over it, and here is the American Eagle. 100% we will try to make it 100% authentic denim. Is a slim fit pattern. This is available in our house. That is the grinding pattern. I'm showing you the grinding way. You can, there is a 2 grinding pattern. 6.5 USD to 7 USD each denim. You can contact us through WhatsApp and you can see the product pictures as well. Let's go through another model. That's a CK in a gray shade. Here is the accessories, here's the button. All are 100% export quality maintained product. Here is the KL level, which is available in the waist size of 30 to 38. Here's the wash. Here's the backside design, which is used by the Calvin Klein. You can see a patchwork over here. Here's the detailed. Let's go for the another model. Like that pant is about 11-ounce denim in a brand of Fishbone. You can see the detailed tags, everything. We have used all YKK zippers in it. In every denim you can see YKK zippers, 100% export quality zippers. Here's the KL level. Let me show you the stitching quality also, 100% export quality stitching. Let me show you the outer part. Here's a different shade. Here is the different shade. That is called the 100% export denim. It's not a local fabric we have used. We have used the 100% export quality fabric, good for the UK market, who are selling the denim in a like around 45 GBP or the pounds they are selling, and we are selling for them to 7.5 USD to 6.5 USD. Minimum order quantity is 300 pieces. We will go through the another model of the denims. Who are selling denim? There's a lot more thing. that. You can see the wash. There is so many wash available. That is also in a fish bun, because I have already shown you the fish bun pattern thing. So we will go through another brand. The good one. This from the Smoke brand. You can see Old Navy polo. Here is the 100% authentic buttons, YKK zipper, and let me show you the KL level of Smoke. 98% cotton, 2% spandex over it, 12-ounce denim. That is in a regular pattern, not the slim fit. It's a regular pattern denim. You might love it. We're going through all the brands we have, which is available ready for shipment. There is another shades for the Smoke. There's a deeper shade. Any kind of customized order possible in denim or any kind of knit and woven garments. If you have any prior brand desire, you can have a customized order with us. Let's just show you the another polo, which is another denim, which is in a diesel brand. You can show there's a BCI certified thing. Here is the KL level. Here is the main level. You can see the diesel slim fit. 100% authentic. Here is the back part. Here is the front part. Let me go through the accessories. Buttons. A zipper we have used YKK. That's why I'm not showing anything again. But that is 11-ounce denim. That will be cost you $6, 6 USD each. And other one was a 6.5 and 7.5 USD. Let me show you another model for the diesel brand. There is another wash, light wash. This is the back side. Here is a Jack and Jones. One wash is available. Here is the front side. Here is the button. You can see Jack and Jones on it. That is 11-ounce denim. It will cost you 6.5 USD for 300 pieces. You can order mixed quantity from our in-house goods. Door-to-door delivery shipment available for US, UK, and other region for the Europe. And for the African zone customers like Nigeria, Ghana, and they can use agent for the delivery. For the other countries, you can DM us on our WhatsApp. We will go through it, and we will give you the shipping charges as well. So that's it for today. Signing off from Everywear Bangladesh Limited.